I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Select Avada Forms as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and go to your form page to submit it and fetch the Avada Forms. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your integration site and here you can see that the Avada Forms fetched successfully. Change the data types of the email and phone number. Set action. Search and select an action constant contact. Give here the client ID and the client secret. So please visit the constant contact application. New application. Give here a meaningful application name. Choose your refresh token type. Create. Please edit it. Provide a redirect URI, copy it from your Bid Integrations dashboard, and paste it on the constant contact site. Copy the client ID and paste it on the integration site. Generate client secret. Copy the client secret, close and save it. Now go to your integration site and paste it. Authorize it. Allow access. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose your desired source. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features you can use, including action and conditional logic for your requirements. Next. Finish and save it. Now visit your form page, fill it out, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your constant contact site and navigate to all contacts. Here, you can see that constant contact has successfully received the data. Thanks for watching.